Hey guys, Chelsea here. Safety glasses first. We're getting set up here this morning. We've got a lot of cleaning to do. Gonna get this guy set up and make a little mess. Got my sawdust buddy. Now we're gonna set this up so some of that sawdust doesn't fly everywhere. All right, all set up. So we've got a little thicker of wood today. So we are going to adjust this down with this lever here so that I can properly get the wood in there at the height. So just keep watching, it's gonna be fun. Quite the mess here, but we've got everything down pretty thin for the next phase.